Hello and welcome to Elif's Kitchen. Today I want to share with you the recipe of rice pudding. I hope you will try and like it. First of all, I took an espresso cup of rice in a small strainer. I wash it well and take it into my pot. I add 4 cups of water and let it boil. I'll cook it until the rice is soft and drained. I'm mixing it from time to time. As you can see, the rice absorbed the water. Now I add 1 liter of milk. I add a cup of milk into a separate bowl. I add a tablespoon of starch and 2 tablespoons of rice flour on it. I'm mixing it well. Now I took a few spoons of hot milk from the pot and add it into my mixture. Then I add the mixture I have prepared into the boiling milk. I add the mixture into it, stirring constantly. It started to boil. I add 1.5 cups of sugar now. If you like it sweeter, you can add 2 cups. I added 1.5 cups because we don't like desserts too sweet as a family. Then I add a pack of vanilla. I boil it on low heat for 2-3 minutes. You see the consistency of my rice pudding. It may seem juicy to you, but it will get thicker later on. I fill it into my bowls. I decorated it with cinnamon and serve it cold. Hope you guys will try and like it too. Thank you for watching my video.